Hey you guys, I just wanted to take a few minutes to share with you how to make, I guess, a homemade mask. I know that websites that I've gone to purchase masks, the wait time is very significant. And so I think the masks that I went ahead and ordered for my loved ones and I are going to get here maybe the first or second week of May, and I ordered them in March, so the end of March, beginning of April, so it's been a minute. But just with listening to different posts, different news stories or reading different posts, people have great suggestions, and so I just wanted to share what I've pulled together from all the great information that's out there. So I had to go out today, and so whenever I do go out, I make sure I maximize the time. And I went on Amazon last night to purchase some bandanas, but that was going to be an extended wait as well, even with Amazon Prime. So I found these today when I was out, and so got these bandanas. For those who are in the Shreveport Bossier area, these are at Dollar Mania on East Texas. They're $1 each, and so I got purple, my favorite color, of course, and then green for my Bossier Pride. And then I got the Haitian flag. They didn't have the Bajan flag, and so just to rep the Caribbean, I was like, all right, we're going to do Haiti. Then I got my mom blue because that's her favorite color, and then camouflage because she was in the service. So I'm sure you all have seen, like, you get your bandana like this, right? And then you fold it in half like that. And then you fold it again like that. And then you get, these are like hair ties I use for my hair. You put them on the end, or you can use rubber bands. You put them on the end like that. All right, then you fold it in. And you may have to adjust it for your comfort level, but you fold it in like that. So you just took it and then folded it down. And then something recently that we added is a coffee filter. So you cut the coffee filter in half like that, and then that's what you put over your nose, or if you do it like this, and then put it on. So the idea is to cover your nostrils and your mouth, but make sure you don't suffocate. Because I remember, well, you can adjust it so you don't feel like you're going to suffocate, because y'all, when I first did it, I was like, I can't breathe, and I'm claustrophobic too. So then you take it, adjust it, so make sure your nostrils and your mouth is covered. So until we get the mask, this is what we've been doing. And then I also, y'all, I put on either shades or some sort of covering, to cover my eyes. And then I make sure, my grandmother told us to get alcohol and put it in our ears, like just on a cotton swab, like rub the inside of our ears and the back of our ears. And then she also told us to get a little bit of Vaseline, use a Q-tip and just kind of put the Vaseline inside of our nostrils, like on the out, not all the way up, but like just on outside to like stop particles. And then we make sure we cover our hair, because with the droplets, particles, things get in our hair every day. And so covering your hair to make sure that nothing gets in your hair. But then when we get in, we have a spray with hydrogen peroxide, water. We did a 2-1 base, and I add a little vinegar. It's like a natural disinfectant. So we spray our clothes, and then we put our clothes in the washer machine, and then we take a shower not a bath, because you know, like bath is more so for relaxing. When you take a shower to like wash everything away. But actually, before getting the shower, I rinse my mouth with water and vinegar. Yeah, I'm a little sleepy. Excuse me, with water and vinegar, and then I drink a little water, because I've read that that's a very good idea. Like every 20 minutes or so, drink water to flush it down to your stomach if you do come into contact with it, because it moves it down to your digestive tract, where it your digestive juices or fluids kill it. And so spray, put clothes in the washing machine, rinse my mouth with water and vinegar. Oh, I wash my hands as well, and I sing the happy birthday song twice. Then I also rinse my nose, and then I take my shower. Studies have shown that antibacterial soap doesn't really make a difference, but I alternate. I'll use my antibacterial soap or my Dove. And then like that's basically what I do before I just like start moving about the house again. So I wanted to share those things, and being vigilant. Yes, being prayerful and being vigilant as well. So I hope that it helps. All right, y'all have a good one.